We never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm with Risa and we're going to be doing some outdoor natural light photo shoots. I have my Canon R6, this beautiful set. Let me actually just walk you guys through the settings and then we can start shooting. I'll be shooting wide and also going close to her and capturing like different angles, just to tell a story of like Risa on vacation or like just having fun by herself in this beautiful spot. All right, so currently my shutter speed is at 1/500. I'll just reduce it to about 1/160. The widest aperture I can go is 2.8 and my ISO, I'll just open it up a bit to about 200. Ready? Okay.
When you're working with natural lights, there's one thing that I want you guys to pay attention to. In my case, in this particular photo shoot, we didn't have any harsh direct sunlight on here because it was overcast. And even though it's overcast, you can still tell where the source of light is coming from. So if you want to have the best light even when it's overcast, just look at where the sun is and then turn your subject into that direction and then light her up with that little natural light that you get. As you can see now, I just asked her to come forward a little bit more, just bringing her out so that we can have a lot more of that.
One more. I love that. Can you do one where so you can put this right foot down? Yeah, aha, that's nice. But let the right hand go further out, relaxing. Perfect. Tiptoe, let it touch. Yeah.
One other thing that I've also found myself to like doing a lot is if I find a pose that is working for me or something that I like, I will just make my subject keep doing it and I will just take different angles, different focal lengths. I can come close, I can go further away. Just try and maximize that pose as much as possible by capturing different angles and then different focal lengths as well.
Beautiful. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, that's it. Keep that. Beautiful.
Things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go. Just let go.
So we've moved from where we were in the beginning and over here we have like the build straight onto her and the walls are also just bouncing the same light around. So it's going to be nice. Perfect. Oh, I love that. I love that. Chin up a little. Yeah, perfect.
One thing I want you to note is to pay attention to where your subject is looking. Always make them raise their chin up so that you have the best lighting on their face. When they look down, you're going to have some nasty shadows. So to avoid it, always prompt them to look up, even when you're shooting from a low angle.
Through the concrete, just you and me. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go.
Alright, so we'll spot that I think we can take some nice images in. So we just made her beautiful.
So we found this place that was just giving me travel vibes, and I just started off by shooting at a wide angle and also a little bit from the side because I felt it was really interesting the way it looked from that perspective, but by shooting really wide. But then after I got the shots I needed, I just moved a little bit straight onto her, and instead of her sitting the way she currently is, I just made her lie back a little bit so we have a little bit more of a dynamic shot and a more interesting angle and perspective, and I think it really worked well. So as much as
Can you open up your arm some more? Yes. And then chin up. Stunning. That is beautiful.
Even though I like to squeeze in a little bit of direction when I'm shooting, I'm always hyping and shouting, amazing, beautiful, I love that, just so the subject or the model can match that energy. And it actually shows through the images. You always find out that they look relaxed, they look confident, and it just makes the images work a lot more. So always hype your subjects when you're taking beautiful images of them.
Could grow just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me. Hold me, just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself
Wow.
Look at these.
Oh, hallelujah. Okay, we are sorry.
We have a lot.
A lot. There is a lot.
Lot.
A lot.
Just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself me and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue.
I hardly do backlit shots, but in this case, this location is just giving me too many vibes. I can't do without doing this back shot. So I was taking some flair, but I was just still trying and get the shots I need. All right.
You guys know that for me, and backlighting my subject is something I hardly do, but that's the beauty of photographers that I got. And yeah, so try new things, experiment as much as possible, and have fun whilst you're shooting. Enjoy the process, guys. It's the best way you're going to create amazing images.
We like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side.
So that brings me to the end of today's video, guys. I hope you learned something. You guys are actually liking this kind of content, so I can create more of it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't ever give up. Oh, by the way, I just launched my Photoshop actions, so you can check it out. Just go onto my digital store. The link is down below. Check it out and copy it if you don't have it. It supports the channel and helps me create more content like these. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about